What's going on, everybody? This is going to be a short and sweet video, but there are people out there that do not know how to do this simple stuff. This is how to get a logo for your Shopify store, how to get a logo for anything, right? So you're going to go on Fiverr. People literally do not know how to do this. How to make a logo, how to get a logo. That's what the title of this name will be. So you come over here. Yeah, I just looked up, get a YouTube intro, because I don't want to do it. I know how to do it. I mean, I don't know how to do it well. I know how to make a YouTube intro, but I want all of that shit that I'm not good at outsourced. That's what you need to understand. So graphic design, go to logo design, and so if you're an idiot, you'll go over here and you'll see, oh, $310. Yeah, I'm gonna spend $310 because it's an awesome logo. For a Shopify store, you do not need a crazy professional logo. If you're starting your own software up, you're doing like it. You really don't have to have the simple logos look fine. Amazon, they're all simple logos, right? I'm gonna come over here, put it to 15 bucks, and you're gonna find a bunch of people who will make logos. So, oh, right here, $15. They have 551 reviews. They might be credible, right? That social trust, they got me. So I'm gonna look through their stuff, and remember that some of these logos might be $85. But the basic ones are going to be basic, but it's $15. If you do not have Photoshop, if you have no idea what you're doing, you still can have a Shopify store, right? This is what you need to do. Go over here, continue. You're going to have a logo within a day, maybe 2 days, right? Upload that to your Shopify store. Now you're professional. Go to your Facebook page, upload all of that stuff. Make it look professional. This is as simple as it gets. This is how to get a logo off Fiverr. This simple video. Appreciate it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Subscribe, like, comment any questions that you have to do with dropshipping, Shopify. I'm out.